गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट, कैसे आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम एक बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट नेमिंग रिएक्शन पढ़ेंगे जिसका नाम है परकिन रिएक्शन। परकिन रिएक्शन, right? It's a very important naming reaction as far as the maximum examinations are concerned, like undergraduation and post graduation examination. Lots of questions are asked on this topic, so we'll discuss that what is Perkins reaction. Now first of all we'll see the definition of Perkins reaction. What is the meaning of Perkins reaction? So Perkins reaction, actually it is a condensation reaction between aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic anhydride. Aliphatic anhydride having at least 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. Now this is a condensation. So what is the meaning of condensation? The condensation reactions are those reactions in which two substances are attached together with the elimination of a small molecule, like water molecule, like ammonia molecule, like methyl alcohol molecule, or we can say acetic acid molecule. So this is the condensation. Two smaller molecules are attached together to form a big molecule with the elimination of a small molecule like this one. Now next one is the important thing here. We have to use the aromatic aldehyde. Simply we'll take the aldehyde which is aromatic in nature, and next one important is aliphatic anhydride having at least 2 alpha hydrogen atom, because these 2 alpha hydrogen atoms are very important in Perkins reaction. Now we'll see the actual reaction of this type. So here we'll take the aromatic aldehyde, like we can take benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde, and we'll take acetic anhydride which has at least 2 alpha hydrogen atom. So this is acetic anhydride. Here this is alpha carbon atom and this is also alpha carbon atom, but we'll consider this one only. So this is alpha carbon atom, and to this alpha carbon atom 3 alpha hydrogen atoms are attached here. Now this reaction is carried out in presence of a catalyst. We can take sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Instead of this we can take another substances, like we can take potassium acetate, we can take pyridine, we can take quinoline, we can take triethylamine, right? Instead of this we can also take this one. Now important thing is that what is the function of this sodium acetate here, and it is very important thing, because when Perkin give the mechanism of this reaction, some scientists put the objection that this sodium acetate it not work as a catalyst here, but actually it involves in a reaction. So we will see this when we'll see the mechanism of this reaction. So here the main work of this sodium acetate as a catalyst. It will not involve in a reaction but works as a catalyst. So what will happen here? See, this is these are the 3 alpha hydrogen atom. So out of these 3 alpha hydrogen atom, this alpha hydrogen atom moves to this oxygen atom, and this alpha hydrogen atom react with this oxygen and this CH3CO. So this CH3 C double bond O OH, it will form acetic acid, that is CH3 COOH, acetic acid, plus what will form here, this one, that is PH CH, this is CH, double bond, then this CH, then C double bond O, and this is O and H. So this is OH. The name of this product is cinnamic acid, or it is also called as phenyl acrylic acid. And we can also write the IUPAC name. This is a main carbon atom chain, backbone carbon atom chain. This is first carbon, second, third carbon atom. So this is 3-membered carbon chain, and double bond is there. It means it is a propene, and to this propene phenyl group is attached, and to this propene one carboxylic group is also there. So to this third carbon phenyl group is attached there. So its IUPAC name will be 3-phenyl. This is propene, second position per double bond है, 2 in, and carboxylic acid is there, therefore oic acid. So its IUPAC name will be 3-phenyl prop 2-enoic acid. So this is the product of Perkins reaction. Now we'll see the mechanism. The mechanism is very interesting one. So in this mechanism, what will happen, first of all, this sodium acetate or catalyst is dissociate, like CH3 COO-NA, it will dissociate as CH3 COO minus. This is acetate ion plus sodium ion. This is the first dissociation of this sodium acetate. Now next, what will happen, this acetic anhydride, that is CH3 C double bond O O C double bond O CH3, it donate its proton to the acetate ion. This one of the proton will shifted here, and what it will form, it will form a carbanion, that is this CH3 will convert into CH2, okay, and negative sign will be here because the proton is donated by this carbon atom, therefore it acquires a negative charge. Now this C double bond O, then O, C double bond O, CH3 plus CH3 COOH. Here this is acetic acid, and this one is carbanion, right? Now in next step, what will happen, this benzaldehyde, that is PH C double bond O C double bond O H will react with CH2 minus C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Now what will happen, due to electromeric effect here, this pi bond electron pair will shifted to this oxygen. So when this pi bond electron pair shifted to this oxygen, it will acquire negative sign, and this carbon will acquire a positive sign. Now this negatively charged carbanion, this carbanion will attack on this carbonyl carbon. So when it attack on this carbonyl carbon, it gives PH CO minus, then this is hydrogen, then this is CH2, C double bond O, here O is there, O, then C double bond O, CH3. Now to this compound, it is protonated by this acetic acid, protonated by this acetic acid. This acetic acid will donate its proton to this oxygen atom, so it will form PHCOHHC. Here CH2, मैं इस CH2 को इस तरह से लिखता हूँ, CH2, right? Then C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Now here it will lose this water molecule. So when it lose this water molecule, a double bond will be here. So it forms PHCH double bond CH, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Right? The water molecule will be removed from here. In next step, we will hydrolyze this compound by water, that is H plus and OH minus. So this bond will break from here, and when this bond will break, it acquire a negative sign and it acquire a positive sign. So to this negative sign, this H plus ion will be attached and it will form PH CH double bond CH, C double bond O, OH plus CH3, C double OH. This is acetic acid and this one is cinnamic acid. This is cinnamic acid, right? So the interesting fact is that during this mechanism, when Perkin proposed this mechanism, he suggested that here this CH3 COO work as a catalyst, but the scientist fitting came and this fitting suggests that it not work as a catalyst, but here this acetic anhydride work as a catalyst. Okay, but later on some scientists came and they proved that no, this sodium acetate, it work as a catalyst and not the acetic anhydride. So I hope you understand this topic. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Thank you very much.